Hi, in this video we are going to talk about the image widget in Flutter. Image widget in Flutter used to display images within our app, and we can easily add images from a variety of sources such as internet, local storage, or from your own custom network. To display your image, just use or define image widget, in which we have image property through which we have to define the source of our image. So we're gonna use NetworkImage, which takes any URL, and as soon as I hot reload it, we can see the image has been loaded from the URL. We can also specify using AssetImage, or we want to use another. We have different properties or the sources of that as well. Another property of image is a fit property. So what we can do is, if you have a container in which you are showing an image, you want it to be filled, so we can use box fit cover, or you want it to fill it the whole space in that, or you would just want the image original size, expect size, or the width and height to be shown. You can also use contain. And if you want your own specification, you can also specify the height. So if I go with 400 here, the image is like enlarged, and we can also specify the width of it. So these are the normal properties of image widget, and there are many more which we can use to customize and base your image appearance as per your specification. So we have frame builder, filter quality, blend, how it will should look, the color, and if we are loading an image from a network, you can also use image loader, so it will show an animation until our images has been loaded. It will show a circular progress indicator. So these are some few properties of image widget. Thank you for watching.